right, Claude Fable 5 just launched and is going to completely change YouTube forever. Let me show you why. This channel over here has 8 million subscribers and almost 800 million views. Now, the reason why this channel is so successful is because it takes complicated math concepts and turns them into beautiful animations that are easy to understand. What if I told you you can create the exact same animations using Claude Fable 5? Now here's the crazy part. Based on my own experience of running my own YouTube channel and having access to my own AdSense, I can assume how much money a YouTube channel makes based on views. And so, based on my own experience and my own assumption, I assume a channel like this one probably made around $2 million to $10 million in its lifetime. Now, this is just an assumption. I don't actually know how much money this channel made, but I like to think I'm pretty close to the answer. Now that I got you excited, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use the new model from Claude, Fable 5, to create animations just like this channel. Now, before we start, I just wanna say that the purpose of this video is not me telling you you can go ahead and make a channel like this one and make millions of dollars. That's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is for you to learn how Claude Fable 5 works and how you can create these animations using this new model. That's it. Now, with that said, let me show you how you can create these animations. So first, let me show you the channel I was talking about. As you can see, this channel over here has 8 million subscribers and over 200 uploads. The total number of views is 750 million views. And if we look at one of the videos, let's say we click on this video over here, we will see that the animations inside this video look like this, right? So these animations over here, these ones over here, are the animations I'm gonna be teaching you how to create using Claude Fable 5. And you can use these animations over here to create all types of content, not just mathematics. You can create a lot of things using these animations. You can use it as a business presentation. You can use it on your website. There are a lot of things you can do with these animations. So let me show you how to create them. All right, for this to work, first you need Claude Code on your computer. So go to your browser, search for Claude Code just like me over here. Go to this website, the Claude Code website, click on this button, download for Windows, and download Claude Code on your computer. And obviously install Claude Code on your computer. After you install it, go to your browser again, search for Node.js over here. Go to this website over here with the green icon, which is called Node.js. Click on this website and then click over here, Get Node.js. Then over here down where it says Windows Installer, click on this. And it's going to download the MSI file and then install Node.js on your computer. After you install Node.js, go to your browser again and search for Python over here. As you can see, Python. Search for Python and then go to this website over here, python.org. Go to this website and then click over here where it says downloads, click on downloads, then click over here where it says or get the standalone installer for Python 3.14.15, right? So click on this over here and install Python on your computer. Now, after you install Python on your computer, I want you to go to your browser again and search for MikeTex over here. As you can see, MikeTex. After you search for this, go to their website, which is miketex.org, click on this. Then over here at the top where it says download, click on download and then download it on your computer. As you can see, you can download for Windows, for Mac, for Linux. I'm gonna download for Windows because I have Windows. Then click on this button over here which says download and then install MikeTex on your computer. All those things, by the way, are free to download and install. MikeTex, Python, Node.js, all of those things are free to install. Also, Claude Code is free to install, but you are going to need a subscription to Claude Code, which is I think $19 a month. But in my opinion, it's worth it. And even if you don't want to subscribe, I still recommend you watch this video because maybe by the end of this video, you might change your mind and you might want to get Claude Code. Now, after you've installed all those things, congratulations, you're done with the first boring part. Now it's time for the second boring part. So what I want you to do is open Claude Code on your computer. I'm going to search for Claude over here in my search bar. So on the search, as you can see, you can find Claude. I'm gonna search for Claude. As you can see, it's just say Claude app, open it, and it should look something like this. So over here, we're on the code. Maybe yours is going to be on Cowork over here, or maybe it's going to be on Chat. What I want you to do is click on this icon to the top left over here, so you're on the code section of Claude Code. So inside Claude Code, what I want you to do is click over here on the model and make sure you select Fable 5. As you can see, we have Opus 4.8, we have Sonnet 4.6. Make sure you choose Fable 5. If you don't have access to Fable 5 yet, you can also choose Opus 4.8, or you can also choose the other models, right? I think this is going to work with the other models as well. What I want you to do is type the following message to Claude Code. Install the Manim skill. That's it. Send this message and wait for Claude Code to install this skill. It's going to ask you to allow access a bunch of times, and I'm going to show you how that looks. And as you can see, Claude Code is searching for the skills over here and is going to install the Manim skill. Now, I already have this skill installed, but I'm just going to install it again just to show you. So as you can see over here, allow Claude Code to run search skills registry for blah, blah, blah. What you need to do is click over here on this button, which says always allow. So click on this to always allow Claude Code to do those things. Once again, Claude Code is going to ask you to allow it. So click over here, always allow, and it's probably going to ask you again. As you can see, Claude Code wants to use PowerShell now, which is basically your terminal, and basically Claude Code is going to use the terminal to install this skill. So just click always allow. Now, the reason why I'm explaining these things is for you to understand what is happening in the background, because a lot of you are afraid of Claude Code using your computer or whatever. Claude Code is not going to use your computer. As you can see, Claude Code is always asking permission to do those things. And as you can see, I already have the skill installed, so it's not going to install it. But if you don't have it installed, just click yes and yes and yes and allow until you install it. Now, once you have the skill installed, we can now create these animations. And let me show you how to create these animations. Now, to create a beautiful animation using Manim and basically code, this is the prompt I'm going to be using. It's quite a long prompt. And if you want to copy this prompt, you can get it for free inside my private community. There's going to be a link down in the description where you can join my private community for free. So this is my private community. And inside the classroom over here where it says classroom, if you click on classroom, besides all the courses I have on N88 automation, OpenClaw automation, CapCut video editing, Claude video editing, Faceless YouTube course, and many other things I have over here, if you scroll down, we have free prompts. And if you click on free prompts, this is where I share my free prompts I use inside my videos. So if you click on this and then you click on Manim skill prompts, you have the prompts I'm going to be using inside this video over here. So what I want you to do, join my community and then go over here and copy this prompt over here. Just copy it, go back to Claude and paste it inside Claude over here. Once you paste this inside Claude, just hit enter. And now in literally 1 minute, Claude Code is going to code the animation. And I'm going to show you right away how it looks. Now again, Claude Code is going to ask for permission to do a bunch of things, so just click always allow. Now, while Claude Code is going to create this animation, I just want to show you my community a little bit. If you want to learn more about AI, if you want to learn more about Faceless YouTube, you can go to my community, become a premium member for just $9. Usually it used to cost $49, but I dropped the price, as you can see over here in my last post. I dropped the price from $49 to $9, and you basically get access to everything you see inside here. And I want to show you how much content there is inside my courses. So if you click on the Faceless YouTube course, this is how it looks, right? We have all the content over here. So if you want to stay up to date with AI and all the AI tools and how they work and how to use them, you can just go ahead and join my community. There's going to be a link down in the description where you can join my community. Now let's get back to Claude Code and let's see how the animation looks like. Now, before I show you the animation, I want to show you how the animation looks in the background, because the animation is just code. So basically, this is your animation. Your animation is literally code. Claude Code has coded the animation. Now, let me show you how the animation looks like. If you can't find it, or if you can't find the folder, what you want to do is just tell Claude Code to show the folder for you. So link me the folder with the video. So just send this message to Claude and it's going to link you the folder where he rendered the animation. And as you can see over here is the folder. You can literally click on this, it's going to open the video for you. So this is the animation it created. And as you can see, it's like a very beautiful moving graph, mathematical graph, right? This is actually insane. And this is just one example of what you can create with this skill. This is absolutely insane. Let me actually show you some other animations I've created. So you can also create animations like these ones over here, right? This was created using Claude Code. As you can see, you have like a text and you have the equation, and then it's moving around and it's doing the equation. Like, this is insane. And if I'm going to show you the channel, these things look identical. They are created like this. Now, what this channel also does, it has specific characters that basically present these animations. As you can see, these characters over here are presenting these animations. And you can create that as well. You can create your own character for your brand or your own avatar. For that, you have to use the Higgs field skill. So let me show you how you can create your own characters or your own avatar for your own brand. Down in the description, there's going to be a link to Higgs field. Click on that link and it should send you to this page over here. Create an account or log in with Google and then click over here where it says MCP and CLI. Click on this. Then once you click on this, click on CLI over here. Once you click on CLI, what I want you to do is copy this command over here by clicking on it. Then over here on your search bar, search for terminal, just like this. Click on the terminal, then Control V on your keyboard, press Control V on your keyboard to paste this command and then just type enter. And after you press enter, it's going to start installing the CLI. What I want you to do next is pretty obvious. Go back to Higgsfield over here, copy the second command, go back to your terminal, paste the other command, type enter. Is going to ask you to authorize access with Higgsfield. Basically, that's why you need an account on Higgsfield. After you do that, go back to Higgsfield, copy this command over here, go back to your terminal, paste it, and here's where you're going to install the Higgsfield skill. Basically, just type enter. After you create the Higgsfield skill, you can close the terminal, go back to your Claude Code, and over here inside Claude Code, you can ask Claude Code to use the skill to create your own character or your own avatar. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my microphone over here. I'm gonna click on the microphone so I don't type a lot, and I'm gonna ask Claude Code to create a character for me. So, hey Claude, can you use the Higgsfield skill and create a character for me, a 2D character that teaches math on YouTube? Keep it simple, keep it fun. Don't create a background because I don't need a background. I just want the character. Be creative and fun. And now because you've installed the Higgsfield skill, Claude Code is going to use this skill to create a character for you. Now, once Higgsfield is done generating the image, you will have it over here, as you can see, saved locally. You can click on it and open it. And as you can see, you have your character for your brand. Now you can also go ahead and change the position of this character or the expression. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send a voice message to Claude and ask him to create different positions for this character. So, hey Claude, can you change the position of this character and make one where he's standing still and one where she's pointing her finger to the right. And now it's going to also generate these images super quick. And you can also check the images on your Higgsfield account. As you can see, we have the character over here standing still or pointing. And what you can do, you can download this character and then you can use it in your video as your character. Let me show you how. So this is the equation video over here, right? To take our character, which is pointing, put it on top of the equation. It's like, oh my God, it has a white background. You just click on it, click remove background, auto removal over here in CapCut, super quick, drag it down like this. You can even add an animation to it. And now you also have your own character that is pointing at these animations, right? Super simple. Now, if you feel like you've learned something new from this video, you might want to watch this video over here, because inside this video, I'm going to show you how you can create actual videos using AI. So if that sounds interesting and you want to learn more about AI, just click on this video and watch it.